Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to download images from your Squarespace using the asset library. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Squarespace, you might want to click on the Create Account option in the upper right corner. And from here, you can continue with Google, you can continue with your business or working email, or just click on the more options. And from here, you can continue with Apple, your Facebook, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, once you are here, for you to be able to download the images from your Squarespace asset library, you can follow this easy, straightforward steps. Right, now once you log in, you will be directed to the Squarespace navigation part. Just click on the site section. Now from here, alright, so all you're gonna do is go to the asset library here. It can be easily found in the lower left section of your dashboard. Click on it, and from here, these are the assets or the images that you can download on the Squarespace. Now, unfortunately, at this moment in time, you cannot download the videos that you have used here on your website. But for the images, for you to be able to download, all you're going to do is search for it. Select all the images that you wanted. And click on download. Or you have more options here. Click on the folder so you can move it to the designated section that you wanted to move it. All right. Now, if by any chance you are having problems downloading your assets library, you might want to go here in the Squarespace Help Center about managing and reusing images and videos. And from here, these are specific guidelines on how you can do it, how to reuse assets. And if you have more questions, you might want to click on the lower right corner here. That's going to be the Squarespace Assistance, and just click on the new conversation, or just head over here to the Squarespace Help Center, and then you need to choose the request type here. And obviously that's going to be you are having problems downloading images from your Squarespace asset library. All right, and that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.